Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this tutorial, we're going to go through the process of how to embed a form from your website onto a particular page. The way forms typically work is you build them on the back end under forms, and then you utilize what's called a shortcode to embed them on a particular page, which means you have the ability to embed forms wherever you wish. The only thing to realize is that forms cannot be edited when you're in the visual builder on a page. They must be edited from the forms interface on the website. So in this case, we have a form on a page. We've got this page here called Big Dreams Ahead Giving, and this form is a donation form that it's actually the incorrect one. So we've got to take that one. It's this form that is currently embedded on that page, which is the general donation form. We have a specific form that has a few nuances called Big Dreams Ahead Giving form, and we're going to take that form and replace the one that's currently on the page. So it's very simple. You simply go to Forms, hover over the form you wish to grab the shortcode for and embed, and click on Edit. Then click on the Embed button in the upper right-hand corner. We typically don't use this because the way our builder works, it doesn't always work correctly. This might work if you were just using standard out-of-the-box WordPress. But in this case, we're going to use the copy shortcode, and we're also going to take note of the form ID. So form ID 24. So I've copied the shortcode. I'm now going to head over to the form or the page where I wish to replace the form and enable the visual builder. And once that loads up, I'm going to edit the module where the form is located, and that's this one right here. It's a text module, so I can click into that, click on the settings, module settings, and we have here the shortcode for the other form. That form is form ID number 10, and we have title false. So there's two ways I can do this. I can either just paste in the shortcode that I copied from the form, or since I made note of the form ID on this, I can actually go back to what it was and just change the form ID to 24 so it matches this. And once I've done that, that's all there is to it. We simply need to save the changes to the module. Now the form, we can tell it's updated because it has the quarterly donation type, and we can now click on the purple button and the save button to publish our changes. So it's simply a matter of swapping out a shortcode, or you can change the existing shortcode to just match the form ID of the form that you wish to have embedded. Other than that, we're all set to go, and please reach out to Gradelink website support for any additional questions.